Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing. And today, in this video, we're going to look at Connect as part of the 5 Ways to Wellbeing Model. Humans are sociable creatures, and in a world where mental health is a growing concern, it's even more important for us to build relationships and prevent feelings of isolation. This is something that can massively help your well-being. I began to understand the importance of relationships and how by isolating myself as a result of my own poor mental health, I was doing more harm than good. I then started building my network up again, bit by bit. The point is here, if you want to achieve success, you need to surround yourself with positive, forward-thinking people and build a network of people that you can work with and get ideas from. So think about your network. Does it actually add your self-value? So connect with people, especially after the year we've had. It's even more important than ever. If you'd like to join me for my 5 Ways to Wellbeing workshop on the 7th of January, look in the comments below for our Eventbrite link, and we'll see you then. Thanks a lot.